The Ruddy Turnstone is a short, stocky shorebird. They have a stout and slightly upturned bill and orange legs. The male have a very unique white and black head pattern and a beautiful calico design along their back in reddish and dark browns and black coloring. The breeding female appears in a similar but paler version of the same pattern. Juveniles and non-breeding adults appear with brown and white patterning, but when in flight, Ruddy Turnstones have a very unique pattern with a white stripe down their back, a black tail stripe, a white rump, and white stripes down the wings. Ruddy Turnstones can be found strutting along sandy and rocky shorelines or in mudflats, flipping pebbles in search of food. A cool fact about Ruddy Turnstones is they have very special feet that are somewhat spiny with short, sharply curved toenails that help them hold on to slippery rocks when they are foraging for their food.